Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare elderberry tea step by step. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You will need dried elderberries, fresh water, and any optional spices such as ginger or cinnamon sticks. Make sure you also have a saucepan, a fine mesh strainer, and your favorite mug ready. For the perfect brew, aim for about 2 tablespoons of dried elderberries for every 1 cup of water you plan to use. This ratio ensures a flavorful and potent tea. Now, let's get brewing. Carefully combine your measured dried elderberries and the water in the saucepan. Place the pan on your stovetop and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low. Allow the tea to simmer for a good 15 to 20 minutes. This crucial step extracts all the wonderful flavors and beneficial compounds from the elderberries, creating a rich and aromatic base for your tea. With your tea simmered to perfection, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully pour the hot elderberry tea through a fine mesh sieve directly into your serving mug. Make sure to discard the used elderberries. They have given all their goodness to the brew. Now, personalize your tea. You can add a spoonful of honey, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a fresh slice of lemon to enhance the flavor to your liking. Enjoy this comforting beverage. Your delicious homemade elderberry tea is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm and savor the comforting flavors and aromas. If you happen to have any leftover tea, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 days. And speaking of fresh, if your car could use a little pick-me-up, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice air fresheners and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.